Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD. Let's start. Yellow color. A for aeroplane. A for apricot. B for butterfly. B for bat. C for cat. C for cap. D for doll. D for dog. D for donkey. E for eggplant. E for egg. F for fish. F for fruit. G for goat. G for guava. H for house. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for eyes. J for jug. J for joker. K for kite. K for king. L for lemon. L for lion. M for mosquito. M for mango. N for nose. N for neck. O for orange. O for owl. P for piano. P for papaya. Q for queen. Q for quiz. R for ring. R for rat. S for sister. S for star. T for toast. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. V for vegetable. V for village. W for water. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for Christmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yellow color. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.